What's up guys, Enjoy here. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. I made this video strictly for affiliate marketers to enable them maximize their profit potentials. Of course, anyone can be an affiliate marketer, no doubt, but more importantly, bloggers and email marketers are crushing it using these simple tips and strategies I will be showing you right in this video. Having said that, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on that subscription button below and hit the bell icon so as to be notified when next I post another amazing video just like this one. In this channel, I make videos for entrepreneurs. It's a channel you can always run to for tips and strategies on how to make money online. So if you like my videos, show some love by giving me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So in today's video, I will be showing us a couple of ways to make a lifetime recurring income as an affiliate marketer, and I will also be showing us some products you can promote for a lifetime commission. So let's dive in. Here in my desktop, I have a PDF file, a lifetime recurring commission affiliate program, sheet 1. I have that up to 3 sheets. Okay, so here we go. So I just listed out all of these and their sign up links, their sign up URL. So we'll be running down some of them. I'm also going to drop give us this PDF so we can enroll ourselves into this. Okay, so the number one thing we are going to look at is ConvertKit. Okay, the category here is email marketing. All right, so this is an email marketing platform just like we have Aweber, GetResponse, the rest of them. All right, so that's the same thing they do here. All right, so if you're promoting this product, you're going to be having 30% recurring income. All right, so most times I just wake up in the morning and I just see $18, $30, $7, $10, and as the case may be, and I'll be wondering where is this one coming from. All right, so it's one of these programs. Probably someone has renewed their subscriptions. Okay, so I get my cuts. All right, so that's how you too can also make such money. All right, that you just work for once and you keep earning recurring income. Of course, you all know I made a video previously about this. Okay, if you are promoting a product that doesn't have a recurring income, then you are making a very big mistake as an affiliate marketer, because very soon you are going to finish that money that you've made or acquired as an affiliate marketer, and you will not have more to promote when there are no good products out there. All right, so it's good and best for you if you go for the recurring income products, all right, and promote them. So the number two products you're going to be promoting as an affiliate marketer for a lifetime recurring income is Active Campaign. It's also an email marketing platform, and you're going to be earning 20 to 30% recurring income. Okay, so most of these things are monthly, most of them are yearly. All right, so another one we're going to be looking at is MailLite. All right, MailLite. So all of these ones are email marketing platforms. All right, so if you have a website or a blog, you can as well write a review about any of these things and attach your affiliate link to it. Okay, so you can make your money when your subscribers, when your website visitors subscribe to any of these services. All right, they are genuine, they are world class. Okay, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Okay, as it relates to reputation, online reputation. Okay, these are I carefully selected these ones for us. Okay, and here are the sign up links as well. I'll be giving out this PDF to you all. Okay, I'll be sending it out to you guys, and probably I'm going to drop a link to download this PDF file. All right, so you can also do Aweber. Aweber also have is also an email marketing platform where you can earn 30% recurring income. All right, so as GetResponse, then Drip, then Sendline, then on track pot, then benchmark, and so many of them. All of these ones are email marketing platforms, okay, where you can earn 30%, you can earn 20%, you can earn 25%, you can earn 10%. As you can see, the lowest here is 10%, just like that. Okay, so the lowest is 10%. All right, now look at this. Here you earn 90% in your first month, and then 40% recurring income. Wow. So if for instance now this Octomacy is probably the amount for it, let's say it's $100. Now you make 90% of it, that means you're earning $90 instantly when you promote this product. All right, now after that you're going to be earning $40 every month. You understand that? So it's a very big money, all right, as a Nigerian and as an affiliate marketer. All right, so next one is ClickFunnels. We all know ClickFunnels is another big platform. All right, just like Builderall. I don't know if I attached Builderall to this list. I think I skipped that. Okay, it's going to be in my second sheet. Okay, in my second sheet. All right, so Builderall is also another platform as well. All right, so ClickFunnels has 40% recurring income, then Lead Pages has 30% recurring income. So all of these ones are landing pages, okay, or sales funnels, all right, that you can use to create your one-page website, your two-page opt-in website, and all of that. All right, so these are the link tracking affiliate products or programs that you can as well promote. All right, so this one says 100% in your first payment, all right, and then 35% recurring. So if the price for this is $50, you're earning that $50 instantly when you promote this product from any of your subscribers. Okay, and after that you'll be earning 35% of that $50 recurring. All right, so this one has to do with 50% first payment. So if the money is $100, that means you're earning $50 in your first payment, and then 10% recurring income. Now Simply has to do it has 20% recurring income. Okay, then Volume has 7% recurring, then TrickMe has 30% recurring. All right, then ClickStrack has 10 to 50% recurring depending on the membership. Okay, this is what I want to explain here. Okay, some programs has beginner package, it has intermediate package, it has the professional packages. All right, so depending on the package the person enrolls for. Okay, for the beginner package it may be 10%, then for the professional or intermediate it may be 30% for intermediate, and then 50% for the professional package. All right, so it depends on the one your subscriber or your clients or your email list subscribes to. All right, so as you can see, there are a couple of it. There are so many of it that you can aim with, guys. Imagine if you have if you have all of this as the affiliate program that you are into, and you're making one sale, you are getting a recurring income. Okay, let's just say you have one person, one client per program. All right, now you have one subscriber in ConvertKit, you have one subscriber in Active Campaign, one subscriber in MailerLite, you have one subscriber in Aweber, you have one for GetResponse, and all of this you have just one. Now imagine how much you're going to be making every single month. All right, when these guys renew their subscriptions in these programs. All right, you're going to be earning tons and tons of dollars. All right, so these are the sign up links. I'm going to be dropping this the link to this PDF file in the description link below. But before I'm going to give that, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know what you think about. If there is any affiliate program I didn't cover here, let me know in the comment section, and I will also make a video about that too. And don't forget, it can also help someone out there to maximize their income, their profit as an affiliate marketer. All right, so I'll be in my next video, I'll also be telling you how you can promote all of this, okay, but I'm just bringing to your awareness the programs that you can enroll into. All right, so you stop going out there to look for products to promote. Here are the ones that you can do. All right, send all of this out to your email subscribers or to your website, make a review about them, make a video about them. There's so many things that you can do to maximize the profit potentials in all of these programs. All right, so I'll kind of see you guys in my next video, and if you like this video, let me know in the comment section so I know the next line of video I'm going to be making for you guys. See you next time.